Welcome back. Today, you will be learning about functions. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. There are many advantages of using a function in your program. For starters, you avoid repetition of code when using functions. For example, if you write a program that will need to repeatedly print the same information over again in different sections in your program, instead of writing the code repeatedly, you can just call a function. The next advantage is it increases program readability because you will be using less code. My last advantage is it reduces chances of error. Without the use of functions, you might just copy and paste code you want to reuse over and over again in your program. What if there's an error in one of the lines that you copy and pasted in your program? You would have to go and fix that error numerous times. When you write functions, you start by typing DEF, which stands for define. Then type the name of the function. You can name your function anything except you can't use the names of functions that are already created, and you can't use Python keywords. Next, you type open and close parentheses. Inside of the parentheses will be the information needed for the function to do its job, also known as parameters. Finally, the colon. There are two types of functions: functions that return values and functions that don't. We will be creating a function that doesn't return a value. In our example, we will be creating a simple function that displays the user's favorite song to the screen. Then we will create a program that calls that function. Are you ready? Let's begin.
When you want to create a function, you have to create a new file to store that function. The file has to be in the same directory as the program that is calling the function. So I'm going to create a file named favoritesong.py. Favoritesong.py. Alright, now after I've created that file, the first line I'm going to define our function. DEF fave song. That's the name of the function. And inside the parentheses, we're going to put song, because that's what we're going to need in order to carry out this function. And then we type colon. Now, I'm going to type the code of what I need the function to do. So I'm going to type print I think song is a good song too. This is what I want to be displayed on the screen. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to go back to the main program, and I'm going to, first I need to import that function. So from favorite song, this is the file where the function is stored. Import fave song. Now, I want the program to ask the user to type their favorite song and store it in the variable called song. So I type song equals input. What is your favorite song? And then I'm going to call my function. Now we can run the program. And I'm going to type my favorite song. and it displays I Think Brighter Day is a good song too.
I hope you have learned something new today and enjoyed this presentation. If so, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. Until next time, stay safe.